Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we will discuss about exercise 2.3 or chapter number 2 sets. Okay? Before going to that, we should know what do you mean by equal set. What do you mean by equal sets? Let me write the definition. Two sets are said to be equal. Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. If they have exactly the same elements. Okay, so let me take two sets. For example, set A consists of the elements ring, watch and flower, as well as set B consists of elements watch, flower and ring. If you observe these two sets, both the sets A and B, they are having the same elements, that is ring, watch, flower. Then I can say that these two sets are having the same elements. Then I can say that set A is equal to set B. Okay, let me take one more example. Set P equal to elements are 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, as well as set Q equal to 6, 8, 4, 10 and 12. You can see here both set P and Q, they are having the same elements 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So therefore I can say that set P is equal to set Q. Got it my point? What do you mean by equal set? Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same element. Okay, now we will go with exercise 2.3 first question. Our first question is, which of the following sets are equal? So what is set A? Set A equal to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. So what are the elements? Elements in set A are, what are the elements in set A? Follow, right? F-O-L-L-O-W. I mean F-L-O and W. Now second one is set B. X says that X is a letter in the word F-L-O-W, flow. So set B, elements in set B are F-L-O-W, flow. Now coming to set C. What is the set C? X says that X is a letter in the word wolf, W-O-L-F. Here also the same elements, that is W, O, L and F. See here, set A, F-L-O-W. Set B also F-L-O-W. And set C also F-L-O-W. Set A and B and C have same element. I can write here set A, B and C have same elements. A, B and C have same elements. Hence they are equal sets. Okay, this is about our first question. Coming to second question, observe the second question. Consider the following sets and fill up the blanks with equal are is not equal so as to make the statement true. What are the elements in set A? A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to the first three natural numbers. Can you say me what are the first three natural numbers? The first three natural numbers are, let me write the first three natural numbers are here, that is 1, 2 and 3. Set C equal to A, B, C, D. Set D equal to D, C, A, B. And E equal to A, E, I, O, U. F equal to set of vowels in English alphabet. Can you say me what are the vowels in English alphabet? That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now coming to first question, is A equal to B? It's A equal to B. A equal to 1, 2, 3. As well as B also we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. They have exactly same elements. So what is A? A is equal to B. Let me write here. A is equal to B. Second one, A and E. What are the elements in A? 1, 2, 3. What are the elements in E? A, E, I, O, U. They do not have same elements. So A is not equal to E. Coming to third question, C and D. What are the elements in C? A, B, C, D. Even though elements in D also A, B, C, D. They have the same elements. Therefore, C equal to D. Now D and F. What is D? A, D, C, A, B. I mean A, B, C, D. F is set of vowels in English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. Is D equal to F? No, D is not equal to F. Coming to F and A is 1, 2, 3. But F is set of vowels in English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. Are they equal? No, F is not equal to A. Next, D and E. D is elements A, B, C, D. E is A, E, I, O, U. Are they equal? No, D is not equal to E. F and B. B is first three natural numbers. 1, 2, 3. B is F. B is first three natural numbers. And what about F? Set of vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Are they equal? No, F is not equal to B. Got it? Second question. Now coming to third question. In each of the following sets, state whether A equal to B or not. Third question. Let me continue with the third question. In each of the following states, state whether A equal to B or not. What is A? A equal to A, B, C, D. What is B? A, B, C, D. Are they have same elements? Yes, of course. They both are having the same elements. Therefore, I can write as A is equal to B. First one, A equal to B. Second one, 4, 4. 8, 8. Here 12 is there, but there is no element 12 in set B. Is A equal to B or no? A is not equal to B. Coming to third one, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What about B? X says that X is a positive even integer and X less than 10. X less than 10 means what are the elements in set B? Elements in set B are 2, 4, 6, 8. Because it is less than 10. Less than 10 means up to 8 only. Here we have the element 10, but we don't have element 10 in set B. Whether A equal to B? No, A is not equal to B. Now coming to fourth one, X says that X is a multiple of 10. What are the multiples of 10? That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. What are the elements in set B? 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Here the element 15 is there in set B, but there is no element 15 in set A. Is set A equal to B? No, set A is not equal to set B. That is third question. Coming to fourth question. State reason for the following. Let me explain fourth question. State reason for the following. So A equal to what? So set consists of 1, 2, 3 and so on 10 is not equal to x such that x belongs to n and x should be lies between 1 and 10. See, here we have the elements 1, 2, 3 up to 10, but x says that x belongs to n, x should be lies between 1 and 10. What are the elements here? Here the elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The elements are up to 9 only. We don't have element 1 and 10. That's why these two sets are not equal. Now coming to second one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is not equal to x such that x equal to 2n plus 1 and x belongs to n. X such that x is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. Okay. If suppose n belongs to natural number, if you take n equal to 1, what you will get? X is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. If suppose if you take n equal to 2, x equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. What you observed? We are getting 3, 5. I mean they are odd numbers. Actually x says that x equal to 2n plus 1, which is the definition of odd numbers. But the elements are here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's why second question is they are not equal. Coming to third one, 5, 15, 30, 45. Okay, is not equal to x such that x is a multiple of 15. Actually multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on. But here we have 5. 5 is not a multiple of 15. That is the reason these two sets are not equal. Coming to fourth one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Is 9 is a prime number? No, of course 9 is not a prime number. Here they said x says that x is a prime number. So here the element 9 is not a prime number. That's why these two sets are not equal. That is the reason for the fourth question. Coming to fifth question. Fifth question is list all the subsets of the following sets. So first question, B equal to P comma Q. What are the subsets of set B? I can write first P, then Q, then P comma Q and empty set. As we know that empty set is the subset of every set. Here it is empty set is a subset of every set and every set is a subset of itself. And P, Q, then P comma Q, then empty set. Coming to second one, what is the second one? C equal to X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Okay. First, let me write one element. X, then Y, then Z, then X comma Y, then X comma Z, then Y comma Z, then X comma Y comma Z, then empty set. See, we have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If the number of elements in set are 3, then total number of subsets are 8. The formula is 2 to the power n. I mean 2 to the power, number of elements are 3, 2 power 3, total number of sets are 8. You can see here in the first set we have 2 elements p and q, number of elements are 2, the formula is 2 power n, I mean 2 to the power 2, total number of subsets are 4. Okay, now third one, what is the third question? Our third question is d equal to a b c d. D equal to a b c d. Let me write the subsets a b c d, a comma b, a comma c, a comma d, next b comma c, a b c, then d. 4 individually I wrote, then a b, a c, a d. Now with b, b c, then b d. Okay, now let me do with c, c d. Okay, 2 elements also completed. Now let me go with 3 a b c, next a c d, next b c d, next a b d, a b d, b c d over. Let me go with a b c d, also empty set. Let me count how many elements are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Yes, total number of elements are how many? 16, because we have totally 4 elements are there. 1 2 3 4. The formula is 2 to the power n, I mean 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. So total number of elements are 16. Now next, fourth question is 1 4 9 16. Elements are 1 4 9 16. 1 4 9 16. Let me write 1 4 9 16. Okay, let me write individually. 1, then 4, then 9, then 16. Okay, now 1 comma 4, 1 comma 9, 1 comma 16. Okay, again now 4 with 4 comma 9, 4 comma 16, then 9 comma 16. Next 3 elements, 1 4 9, 1 4 16, next 4 9 16, 1 4 9, 1 4 16, 4 9 16, next 1 9 16, 1 9 16, then 4 elements, 1 4 9 16, then empty set. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Totally how many elements? 16 elements. Okay, the last one, fifth one, elements are 10 100 1000. 10 100 1000 means, I mean we have only 3 elements, so number of subsets are 8. You will get 10 100 1000, then 10 comma 100, then 10 comma 1000, then 100 comma 1000, okay, then 10 comma 100 comma 1000, then at last empty set. Okay, totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total number of sets are subsets are 8 sets. Okay, this is our fifth exercise. Because for writing question it takes time, that's why I did like this. For other exercises I will go with the board only. Okay, thank you.